Ocean daughter, Mother Earth reminds me she gave birth to all life in the water. She's your mother, your Mother Earth. From the sea, you came to me. You came to me. Oh, respect her, love her. She'll be there for you. The ocean, your mother, will be there for you. The ocean, your mother, she'll be there for you. Lately, I see her cry, and when she said, so am I.